This is the Sharkbite straight stop quarter turn. Let's open it up. This fitting is commonly used on the faucet. For example, this is the water supply, and then you connect this one to the valve, and you can either close or open. On the other side, you can connect the faucet using this tube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect them and how to disconnect them. Let's get started. When you get ready, you can take this one off. This is actually a disconnector. We don't need this when we install. You can connect it either copper or PEX. I'll show you copper in this video. Before we make the connection, let's check the inside. There's a plastic tube inside. When you push the copper in, you don't actually need it, but you can leave this in. But when you install PEX, you must use this. If there's no plastic inner, you can't use the PEX. And you will see the metal teeth inside, and the metal teeth will grab the outside of the tube. And the another thing is the O-ring. You can't see it, but actually inside. The O-ring is actually sealing the tube. So now let's get ready to push in. You need to line up, go straight, and make sure the inner tube is inside. Now you're facing a little bit resistance. You're touching the metal teeth. So now you push. It's not all the way in. You feel another resistance. It's the O-ring inside. Now you're right here. You need to fully push in to here. So keep pushing. Okay, now you get there. It can be turned a little bit because of O-ring, and there's some lubricant. You can just adjust the right position. And let's connect the other side. The other side, usually the water supply tube, either hot or cold. Depends on the connection. Sometimes you need to remove this. Make the connection. Here, you can use the hand tied. You need to use the wrench. And then open the valve. The water can flow. If you want to stop, just turn. It's quarter turn, so turn to here will fully stop. If you want to change the faucet, it's very good to have a stop here, so you can disconnect it without shutting off your water. And then I will show you how to disconnect it. For this, you have a special tool. This is for the disconnection. You can reuse this. It's set to up to 10 times, but I don't recommend to reuse them too much. So put this one, there's opening onto the tube. The small opening facing the plastic here. So now you need to push the plastic and pull the copper. Like this, you grab it, you push, and the other hand grab the copper. Okay, like this. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.